Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make a Christmas DIY card, a shaker pocket inside, and I want to show you how I do this. Before we jump into this, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. The first step is to make your paper the size you want it for your card and get it to be double-sided. And then we work on the folds. Using my scoring tool, I'm going to do it at the increments of 1.5, 2 inches, 4, 2, and 1.5. And that's where my folds will be. So I just picked up this tool here. I'm not very good with measurements, so this ruler here is confusing me. I'm going to make my own little marks and then score it. So I picked up this scoring tool and I'm just going to set it on, my paper on in, and now I'm going to score my lines using this tool. So you can see all my score lines, and this is a beautiful tool. I love it. I love it, love it. So I've already made my Christmas tree template, and you're gonna need to now cut each half out to make that Christmas tree. So I'm gonna start lining that up. You really only need the half of the Christmas tree to line it up here so that you could trace it on out. So I'm just gonna simply line this up and draw my lines. And then you'll just line it up again on the opposite side to finish this one off. So I cut my Christmas tree out, and that part is all done. And for the inside, I wanted to work on a shaker ornament. So what I did was I got my vinyl, I ironed it flat, and I have it 2 pieces. And what I'm gonna do, I traced a mug, and I'm gonna sew this into a circle. So we gotta remember to leave a hole when doing this circle, because we have to fill in our shaker glittery little pieces, and we always want to back stitch and forward stitch in the beginning, and then again at the end to lock our stitch in place. Now that it's stitched all around here, I left a taller top here where I'm going to add all of my little bling bling for my shaker pocket. I've already mixed up some sequins and things, and I'm also going to add my glitter. My shaker pocket now, or a circle at this point, is all full, and I'm gonna stitch it all up. My shaker circle is all filled up, all stitched up, sealed together. I traced it out on here because now we are gonna want to try and make a paper background to hide the imperfection in the circle. So I traced it out, and I've never used this. We're gonna give this a shot and see how it makes that circle. So you're gonna now use your template and cut it out for the paper that you desire to border around and design your ornament. So now the ornament will look just like this with your pretty glitter paper. I chose gold. I'm just going to attach my paper first. This little piece here I'm going to use for the top of my ornament. my shaker ornament is all done. I used my glitter glue and some twine. I used my letters for Merry Christmas. And then when you fold it on up, you can see the beautiful Christmas tree, its decorations, and I put a little star at the top. So that is it, guys. That is how you make your own custom-made, handmade Christmas card. It is so cute. I am thrilled with how this came out. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process. If you did, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.